Unleashing creativity. Enhancing descriptions with concrete nouns. Hello, language learners. In our journey through English grammar, we've reached a point that can really spice up your writing. Today, we're going to discuss how to improve descriptions using concrete nouns. Before we start using concrete nouns effectively, let's remind ourselves about what they are. Concrete nouns are words that represent things we can experience through our five senses: sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch. Examples are cat, music, perfume, chocolate, and velvet. Concrete nouns are incredibly valuable in descriptive writing because they provide clear and vivid imagery. They help your reader visualize, hear, smell, taste, or touch the things you're writing about. Using them effectively can make your writing more engaging and immersive. The key to enhancing descriptions with concrete nouns is to identify when and where you can replace general or abstract nouns with more specific, sensory ones. For example, instead of writing, "She had a pet," you could write, "She had a tabby cat." The second sentence paints a much more specific picture in your reader's mind. Let's put this into practice. Take a look at these sentences. 1. He ate the food. 2. They walked through the park. Now, try to add or replace words with concrete nouns. Here's how I do it. 1. He devoured the crispy chicken. 2. They strolled through the blossom-filled park. Notice how the sentences come alive when we use concrete nouns. They engage the reader's senses, creating a vivid mental picture. Now you've seen the power of concrete nouns to enhance your descriptive writing. As you practice this skill, you'll find that your sentences become more interesting, specific, and engaging. Thank you for joining me today, and remember, the world of English language is rich in sensory. Make the most of it in your writing. Happy learning!